So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to justify text here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left, press on the home screen right here, open up this home bar, and simply just type in whatever text you're looking for. So for example, if you're looking to type in, what's just a big word, for example, how about we'll search up the word, I don't know, finance, tutorial, video as all one word. So if you were to copy and paste this word, financial video tutorial, just for example, if you were to copy and paste this word here a bunch of different times, what it'll actually do is it'll just be justified. The text won't be justified at all. So for example, if it's too large to fit on this outside here, it's just going to start on the new line right here. Now if you want to change that to where it says justified, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top, go to where it says justified right here, these straight lines right here where it says justify, press on that. This way, if you were to type in, so let's just type in the word Mississippi, for example, Mississippi. I think I spelled Mississippi wrong. There we go. I will copy and paste this word right here. Copy and paste it a bunch of times. So what I will do now is just keep doing this, and you guys will see what I mean in a second. There you go. Now the text will all be the same sort of length in regards to the margins of the paper. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to justify text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.